Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering AI has already made dozens of decisions for you. Before breakfast, AI has already selected your news, music, and social media feed. Most people never notice how deeply AI is already part of everyday life. But the biggest changes are only beginning. In the next decade, AI may completely reshape the way humans work. Some jobs will disappear, while many new careers will be created. Doctors are already using AI to detect diseases earlier than ever before. Students are learning from AI tutors that never get tired. Cars are becoming smart enough to drive themselves safely. This is not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. Soon, AI assistants may manage your entire daily schedule. AI will book appointments before you even realize you need them. Factories are becoming smarter, with robots working around the clock. Machines can now inspect products faster than human workers. Farmers are also using AI to grow healthier crops. AI can predict when plants need water before they become dry. Stores already use AI to predict what customers will buy next. Prices may even change automatically depending on demand. Banks rely on AI every second to detect suspicious transactions.